So we are back. I got a little surprise for y'all. I saw a Facebook listing and kind of already midway taking it off. I probably should have started when we first. Let me turn this down so any copyright. But yeah, I'm already midway through trying to take everything off to figure out what was going on. My thoughts is it probably has too much positive PCV issues, so it's just blowing oil everywhere. But I want to go ahead and show y'all kind of what I've done so far, but also the car. Taking off the valve cover, as you can see, is just like oil everywhere. The belt is done. It's just blown out, oil everywhere. It's pretty bad. So right now we're just inspecting, well, trying to remove everything, gonna inspect the head, make sure it's good, there's no cracks, no leaks. Yeah, but I got it for a steal. That's kind of what I've taken off so far. I got drained the radiator fluid in here, just double checking. Got a hose, come in and put the additional radiator fluid in there. Always dispose of your stuff correctly. And then yeah, just gonna get removing all this stuff, clear stuff out of the way, and all this plastic junk anyways. I ended up upgrading it with aluminum anyways. This is all plastic. Might have to get a new turbo, but we'll go from there. I'd imagine this manifold, once I remove it, the exhaust manifold's probably cracked. I just see so much oil build up all in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's really bad. So backstory on it was he had bought it in January, drove it for, I guess now we're already in May, so it's been a couple months. And yeah, within the past like week, he said he's been noticing power loss, and kind of asked a little bit more questions. And I would imagine, just you can kind of see that. Look at that, it's really bad. So I don't know how long this is going, but this is, I would imagine that is coming from the crankcase. My guess is, like I said, the PCV, the positive crank ventilation, it's just probably throwing onto the harmonic balancer, which is almost the same issue that I have on the white Cruze that I have. So this is both a 2013. I'll go ahead and show you. It has the blue. It's the RS. It does have a sunroof. It is really clean. So this is our next Cruze project that I have. But yeah, 2013 Chevy Cruze. It's the exact same model that I have right now. So I don't know if I'll, of course, put all the money that I did into mine, but this just might be a flip, or just might be another driver. But yeah, I got some work to do. I'm gonna try to make sure I film this time. If I added any mods or replacing stuff, I'll probably film some more, throw it up on YouTube. But phone calls just coming in now, so I think I'll go ahead and take that, and we'll end the video here. Thanks, y'all. We are back. Just a quick recap of what we've done so far. Just trying to clean up all the oil that's on this side. Taking some of the line out, took out the air intake. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off, well, I just got done taking off the wastegate attenuator, took off the coolant outlet here, the charge pipe, and I'm gonna finish taking off the hoses. I took off, if you can see down here, I took off down the intercooler hoses because they're already, it's just kind of swelled up, and I'll go ahead and replace that. But it's just really just go ahead and cleaning the rest of what we got. I still got this off just to check the cams, everything looks good. Took off the coil pack here. I'll end up getting new ones. It's just skunked up with oil so bad. So yeah, there's, let me see, I'll take it over, but there's just oil. It's just everywhere. It's like exploded. So I'm just checking the block. The block looks really good compared to my Cruze's. I'd be half pressed to say that if this is not a new block. And has 198, I think, thousand or 99,000 miles. So I really wouldn't be out of the question if I believe that's a new one, but I don't know. It's just a guess. But I'm gonna go ahead and take all the turbo off, take the cat off, just get in here and try to see what's going on, and more than likely probably go ahead and replace all this. So then if I do go ahead and sell it or maybe drive it around, it'll at least all be new. But the oil cooler looks like it's GM, so it's good. I'll go ahead and look at that, maybe change some of the gaskets in there and see how that's going. But just a quick little update for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to it. But, pretty much got the whole turbo assembly off. You can kind of see how much oil is down there now. It is caked. So honestly, it could be a couple things, but just looking at this, the turbo itself and how much oil is on it, I'd imagine a line or some type of oil feed had failed. But if you see inside of this, there's cracked already on the exhaust manifold. So might as well just go ahead and scrap and just dump it. Just no need to have this, as it's pretty much gone. And leave that here. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and just take out this oil filter, look at it, maybe change the strings. It is the GM one, so if I can save it, take this off, or do the gaskets on the inside, I'll go ahead and reuse it. Just save some money there. But the cat, looking inside the cat, it actually looks pretty good. Kind of see how wide it is in there, so it's not too bad. But this broke off in there, so I have to stick this in here and let's see if I can remove it. Oh no, I see where it broke off. There it goes. And if I had a guess, I honestly want to say that
that's the leak. No?
Well,
that could be the...
Probably not, but it is a little warped. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace this. It's all plastic shit, so go ahead and put the aluminum aftermarket ones that I had did on the little white stallion over there. So yeah, we'll just go from here and just try to keep updating everything as we go. And it's a lot. It is. I haven't seen this much oil, so it's just, it threw up everywhere pretty much. But yeah. I'm gonna get this oil cooler off. Need V12. Got three bolts. There's O2 hoses in the way. Oh. So, now I got this off. I was forgetting something. Just be careful. There it goes. Careful with that. Oil temp. Boom. It's gonna come out. I'm gonna end up cleaning this up. Update. We pretty much went ahead and cleaned out the whole engine bay, took off the throttle body, and cleaned it as best I can. Came out really good. Kind of show you what we've done so far. Just cleaned up all the transmission area, the block. The block honestly looks like it was redone at some point. It's just really nice, super silver. Looks way better from when we first started. Slow progress, but we're getting there. Just trying to work on it every day after work a little bit. It's about to rain here in probably 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go back to work. So I'll end up finishing up here You'd probably replace this and throw a new one down there. But we've taken a good bit off so far. It's coming together. Just I need to take the intake manifold off. I'm sure the check valve failed in there, which is probably causing the too much positive crank ventilation, blowing out the seals. And I'd imagine with all the oil everywhere, you can see it. Hopefully you all can see it, but it'd be from here. And I used the brake cleaner and pretty much cleaned up all of the alternator and then some of the AC compressor there, so I gotta get the front. So got all the parts on the ground, pretty much been cleaning them out. The new parts came in. Right here's the GM intake manifold, and I got the valve cover. The valve cover still looks good. I'm blowing into the diaphragm, and it's good. It's good. So I probably just replaced that more than likely. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up everything, put it back onto the engine, and we should be straight to go. I got the fuel line off. I'm just trying to make sure that all the stuff here. 3/8 with the trick. Just go ahead and tuck that away along with that. Let's get fuel anywhere. It's a good thing I smoked my cigarette, huh? Back in here. My GoPro died, so now try to finish it with the little POV. I don't know how good the quality is. First time I'm actually using this, so got ooh shit, didn't mean to drop all those. Just trying to keep everything together here. I'll put that back in without tilting it this time, and try to just clean up everything, and then I'll get it going and put it all back. So clean that off, put it back on. The new one comes with new ground. Just replace it, might as well. And then yeah, this is done. I'm sure the sensor's still good, but still the GM one. I do not see any. There's no check valve in there, so I'm gonna get the other one out, try to show it side by side. Careful with the dipstick. There we go. Yeah, I can see it. I don't know, you probably won't be able to, but like I'm looking here and I can see the orange valve that is supposed to be in there. Throw the trash back in there. Yep, looking good. Very, very good. Cool. go ahead and try to get it positioned. Well, let me look at the other one, see what I can take off and put back in here. It's like this I can take. I just gotta see how to take it off. That's the issue. Without messing it up. I might need my needle nose pliers. Cool, got it. Might as well spray it down with some brake cleaner. Get some paper towels. Good enough. Put it, I think it goes like this. On that one, I don't have the map sensor, so I need to take it off of that one. Let me grab it's gonna be smaller. A little bit bigger. Oh, that's too small. There you go. T20. Take that off. Pop the sensor out gently. Dear Lord. It's dirty. It's a dirty girl. It's hot today. Sweet Jesus, it's hot. Makes you feel alive. Pop it back in. There it goes. Screw it back in. I'm gonna thread it. I'll mess up the threads there, so I'm just gonna call that good. Alright, anything else I'm missing? I have all new bolts. So I don't think I need this ground anymore. I'm gonna keep the new one on here. Probably for the better. Or let's see. Let me get 10. It's always a 10. Take the ground off. Actually, before we put it back. Freaking go to town with brake cleaner here. Let's see if I can add. Shit. goes. Clean it. I'm worried about that. I'm just gonna leave that all there. I don't imagine I need to take these out, but I probably could. Nah. Let's just leave it in there. Cause any issues. Looks good. Okay. Got the new rail. Okay. Switch it back over. Tighten it down. Boom. Looking good. Check the injectors. See the holes are not gunked up. Looks good. Just double check, make sure they're pushed down all the way. Alright, now grab this, put this back up, and get my bolts. Put the fuel rail back on. Just putting the screws back. Looks good. Looks good. Alright, intake manifold looking good. Put the new one on. Put the new one on. Take it. Put it on this bad boy. Fits just like that. It's a little hard. Okay. Boost on is on. Everything looks exactly the same. So now I just got to put it back on. And double check everything. I probably need to kind of see how dirty it is. Definitely got to get in there and clean. I'm probably going to stop the video here. Clean that gunk off of the engine. Holy crap. So that is bad. Yeah, well, I've got some work to do, and I'll follow back up.